It's a big victory in court today for a citizens group trying to stop the city of Sacramento from destroying those public records.
KCRA3's Mike Lurie is live at the county courthouse with more on why today's decision is so important, Mike.
Well, Rob, timing is everything because tomorrow city officials were planning to start deleting millions of emails involving city officials, including the mayor, Kevin Johnson. But today, a Superior Court judge here has put a hold on that for now.
Fundamental right to access these records.
The records include emails, an estimated 55 million of them that were set to be destroyed starting tomorrow.
That really scares me. Number one, I don't trust their judgment as to whether or not these are important or not. And number two, I don't trust their evaluation that there's really 55 million. And lastly, how expensive is it to make a copy?
The citizens group is trying to get a hold of emails from the Sacramento City Council and Mayor Kevin Johnson involving the new downtown arena and other city business. Deleting them, they say, would destroy the public record. But the city's attorney countered that state law allows cities to delete emails after 2 years, and the city is facing an August 1st deadline to clear its servers.
We can't have constant delays, otherwise we are going to be up against spending an enormous amount of public money for trying to come up with documents that at this point it's impossible to happen.
Judge Shelly Ann Chang openly questioned if the Plaintiffs' Public Records Act request was overly broad, but ultimately ruled to stop the city from deleting emails tomorrow.
I am going to go ahead and issue the temporary restraining order, but I want it real clear. I am not making any determination of the likelihood of success.
The judge ruled there would be no harm in issuing the order until further review.
Well, we're happy that we're going to get more time. Obviously, there was an execution date of tomorrow morning, which no longer exists.
And the group suing the city has been told to narrow down, to pare down that email request so the city can comply. In the meantime, both sides will be submitting additional legal briefs, and both sides will be back in court here again on Friday, July 24th. Reporting live in downtown Sacramento, Mike Lurie, KCRA 3 News.